So, dear students, Assalamu alaikum, and today we are going to talk about our another topic, help. So, do you like to help others? Indeed, I like to help others because it is a great deed, and I would say that it is humanistic. So, we must help others. When was your last time you helped others? So, I think several times I helped others. So, just 2 days ago, I helped a beggar who was in the dire need of money. So, I helped him with money. Did your parents teach you the importance of helping others? Of course, my parents used to teach me the importance of helping others. They really inculcated me, they really instilled me the importance of helping others. They knew that helping others is a great deed. Have you ever refused to help others? Not really. So, whenever I have money on me, so I like to help others. Would you like to keep helping others in future? Of course, I would like to help others even in future. As I already mentioned above, as I already told you, that helping others is a great blessing of God. And God loves those who help others. Now we come to the next topic, history. Do you like to learn about history? Yes, I like to learn about history because history subject tells me about the past nations, past people, how they lived, how they ruled, how they even tackled with difficult times. What historical events or event do you find most interesting? I think I find the event of Pakistan's coming into being, especially the time when people didn't have access to the social media, they didn't have so much faster means of communications, and despite that, they really enabled to bring this country, Pakistan, to the map of the world, and especially the way they elected Pakistan through their votes, through their willpower. So that would I would say that it was no less than a miracle. Do you think history is important? Of course, history is so important. Especially, I would say that history, all if I say that all branches of knowledge ultimately, and whatever we do today, whatever we say today, that become part of history. If I say that all cascades of knowledge ultimately flow into the ocean of history, if we talk about it metaphorically. Do you like to watch programs on TV about history? Yes, as I already told you, I have great interest to read and learn about history. So I love to watch TV programs containing the events related to history. Do you think the internet is a good place to learn about history? It may or may not be. If you have access to reliable websites, reliable sources available on internet, then I can say that the internet is a good place to learn about history. But I would also recommend the students to learn about history through the books, because books most often provide provide the students with the reliable knowledge, especially the knowledge about history. Can you name a person from history who you would like to learn more about? I would like to learn more about Dr. Lama Muhammad Iqbal, who is our national poet, and especially the way he awoke this nation from the deep slumber which it remained, and especially the way he awoke the Muslims of the subcontinent and made them realize the importance of independence, and made them realize of their identity through his poetry, especially the poetry which is revolutionary in nature. So that's all of our topics today. So I hope you have got some gems of knowledge out of it, and I'll continue sharing with you. And thank you so much for watching this video and taking your time. So take care of yourself.